Sa ngayon po, wala pa talagang regulasyon ang CAAP dito. Basically, para po sa usapin na ito, nito pong mga power banks na ito na mga kanin nyo ay mga dangerous na mga kargamento.
Meron tayo, Ted. Meron tayo. Oh, if I can read it to you,
Go ahead,
pwede ko
sir.
bang basahin?
Sige po.
Oo.
Mm.
This is under Part 18, no? Transport of dangerous goods by air, passenger or crew member personal items. Okay? Small lithium battery-powered personal transportation devices including hoverboards, itong mga segways, no? Itong mga all battery-powered equipment, lithium battery-powered equipment. When carried by passengers or crew, devices containing lithium-ion batteries having a watt-hour rating or 100 watt-hour or less may be permitted under the provisions of portable electronic devices containing lithium metal or lithium ion cells or batteries contained in Part 8 of ICAO Document 9284, provided all applicable criteria listed in the restrictions sa table ng document na to are met. Now, devices containing lithium-ion batteries having a watt-hour exceeding 100 watt but not more than 160 watt-hours may be carried subject to the approval of the operator. Now, those exceeding 160 watt-hours are not permitted to be carried by passengers or crew. So, maliwanag ito, Ted. Nandito yung regulasyon. Now, it is up to the airlines, the operators to develop a policy, a procedure na ia-align nila dito sa regulasyon na to. Now, we will require these airlines to submit this policy to us. Kaya nakipag-usap na kami, Ted, no? Ito lang mga past few days. Gumawa kayo ng policy, a marketing spiel, then mag-usap tayo. We will have it approved. Pag-usapan natin kung mamimit itong regulasyon na to, then maybe we can allow it. Pero kailangan mag-submit sila, Ted, ng
Okay.
policy nila.
Sige po.